Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So it is December the 3rd, day 3 for the Elle Beauty Advent Calendar, and today it is the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant, and this is amazing. So I'm filming it tonight because I've been at work all day. However, I did film a bit this morning using this just so I could demonstrate what it is like. So this is the size you get in the calendar, which is 13 grams. I'm just going to open it up for you and show you. So this is it here, and this is so cute. I absolutely love it. I do actually have the full size of this, which I got in a another beauty box before, and here is the full size. So you can see it's a great size to take away, and I've been using this a lot and I've still got so much left inside it. My video I did today, I did using this, but it's the same product, but it was just to show you how to use it and what it's like. So let me just tell you first of all what it says in the little booklet that you get in the calendar. So here we go. So the Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. So it says, gentle enough for daily use, but gives a proper deep clean nonetheless. The unique rice-based powder formula activates on contact with water, creating a fizzy, foamy, pore-cleansing face wash, plus the skin brightening complex helps to balance uneven pigmentation. Clever stuff. So let me just tell you a little bit about how much this is worth. So this is 13 grams, and this retails for £13.50. If you wanted to get the full size, this is 75 grams, and this retails for £49.50. So this is actually such a good buy. I mean, but it's going to last you for ages, and I absolutely love it. So on the actual website, I shall tell you what it says here. So it says, so this is from Dermalogica, and it says, achieve brighter, smoother skin every day with this iconic exfoliating powder. Rice-based powder activates upon contact with water, releasing papain, salicylic acid and rice enzymes to polish skin to perfection. A skin brightening complex of phytic acid from rice bran, white tea and licorice help balance uneven skin tone, while a super soothing blend of colloidal oatmeal and allantoin calms skin, gentle enough for daily use. Now this is gluten free, it is vegan, there's no artificial fragrances and colours, it's paraben free and cruelty free. So all in all, it is a really good product, and it ticks a lot of boxes for things that are really important to a lot of beauty lovers. Now, the benefits are that it removes the dulling surface debris and evens out skin tone. It reveals brighter, smoother skin, and it's gentle enough for daily use. Now, I just want to say, when I did mine this morning, I do normally wet my hands, and I think just because I was recording, so I had it set up wrong. So you are supposed to, this is how you use it. I'm going to pop a little video up here of me doing it. Ignore me. Oh, blimey. So yes, so what you need to do is you need to dispense about half a teaspoon of the Daily Microfoliant into very wet hands. So as you can see, I'd forgotten to wet my hands, but on a normal day to day, I do use wet hands. So once that powder's in your wet hands, you can create a creamy paste by rubbing the hands together. Now I find that my hands aren't wet enough when I do this, and I do tend to just put my fingers under the tap and then drip water onto it and then create it into a paste, and I found that's the best way to use it. So apply it to the face in a circular motion, avoiding the eye area, and then you massage gently into your skin for about a minute, then you rinse it thoroughly, and it just says follow with multi-active toner or ultra calming mist and prescribed Dermalogica moisturizer. I don't use any of the other Dermalogica products, but it just says here, quick tip, pair with nighttime use of the Daily Resurfacer to help reduce the signs of premature aging. So if you've got any other like AHAs or BHAs, you could use that as well. Do remember, anything like this with salicylic acid, AHAs, you do need to use sunscreen because it makes your skin more sensitive to the sun. Yeah. So there we go. I absolutely love it. I'll show you just really quickly what it looks like. I'll put a little tiny bit in my hand just now. So it opens like this and you shake it out. Whenever I've put it in my hand, I would put the lid on. I'm always worried I get it wet. And I'll just put a little bit on here just to show you. Oops, quite a bit's come out. So it is literally just a really, really fine powder. And as I say, you just activate that with water and rub it all over your face. So there we are, day 3 done. Sorry I'm a bit later today than usual. I hope you're finding this sort of style of information given about the products really useful. I've had a lot of good feedback from you, so yeah, rather than just saying it's day 3, here we go, that's nice. So I'm just trying to provide you a bit of background of information about pricing and how to use, and just my initial thoughts on actually using the product. So make sure you join me again tomorrow for day 4. And if you've not seen what I've done already, there are previous videos. So if you have a little look back on my channel, you should be able to see all those. Plus, if you want to see a full unboxing of this, I'll pop a link at the end and down below of there's my calendar there in the background. And yeah, you better see every item for every day, and it is such a good calendar. So thanks so much for watching. Thanks for all your support. See you tomorrow. Have a fab day, guys. Bye.